Hi, I'm Mike from Autel. In this video, I'm going to perform key adjustments using the Maxi IM KM100 key tool. The key tool makes it easy to adjust the buttons on your key so that the transponder works the way you want it to. Sometimes when you generate a new key, the transponder buttons are out of order. The lock button unlocks the door, the lock button opens the trunk, and so on. The Autel key tool can correct this aberration quickly. In today's demo, the lock button is in the unlock position and the unlock button is in the lock position. You can see that my lock button actually unlocks the door. I don't know how this happened, but to fix it, let's tap Special Function on the key tool. Place the key you want to read in the device slot at the top. Then select Key Adjustment. The system should automatically read the values. If it doesn't, tap Read Current Value. If you want to change the location, tap the arrow on the right. Here I want to change the location of the lock and unlock buttons. The keys order works top to bottom, so we can see that the unlock button is in position 1 and the lock icon is in position 2. Set the unlock button to position 2 by selecting the drop-down arrow. Change the lock button's position to 1 by selecting 1. Since that's all I want to do, I will tap Confirm Writing to complete the adjustment. And tap Read Current Value again. Now we can see that my unlock button unlocks the door and the lock button locks the door. I'm Mike, and I hope this video was helpful for your understanding of the key adjustment process. The Autel Maxi IM KM100 key tool is your go-to for all key generation processes. If you want to view more videos about the key tool, browse through our Autel YouTube library. Thank you for watching.